How to pair wireless hands-free V9 Bluetooth headset with a Windows 11 computer desktop or laptop using Bluetooth settings. To get started, you want to go into the startup menu, then go to where it says settings, and as you're in the settings section, you will see the Bluetooth and devices found right here, this section here. So click on that. Then you'll go here and turn on the Bluetooth switch. If it's not there, check your device manager settings and see if the Bluetooth adapter needs to be enabled or updated. Now, once you turn it on, your computer will now become discoverable as the name of it. And next, you'll go to where it says add a device. Then you want to go to where it says Bluetooth, this option here. And when you do that, it'll start searching for nearby capable Bluetooth devices. And for your V9 headset here, that's the name of it. If you got this from eBay or Amazon, that's the name of it. So it goes into pairing mode instantly as you turn it on. So make sure you have it fully charged, being that it will be your first time doing this here. So just flip the switch up like this and it should light up like that, okay? Now, once you turn it on, it should start blinking blue and red light like this here within a second or two, and that means it's in pairing mode, okay? And be sure it's not previously connected to another device, as it will automatically reconnect to that other device. So go ahead and disconnect it, as I just made that mistake. So turn it off and then turn it back on to get this here, okay? Then once you do that, you should see it show up as V9 audio on your computer. Okay, so simply just go ahead and click on that. It's going to say connecting, and this is your headset. It'll say connected. You'll notice the blue red lights are gone, and you can go ahead and press done, and you'll see that show up here, and you got your disconnecting options here. Now you can also use the volume control found to the bottom right of your screen here, and if you're using this as an output to listen to music or whatever, you can click on this here where it says headphones V9. You can also go to where it says system here. All right, click on system and then go to sound. Then you can choose where the audio will come out from, and you want to go with V9 headphones. And if it's compatible with the app you're using on Windows 11 and you want to use it as a mic, you can switch over to where it says headset, this right here, V9, and then you can use it as a mic. You can adjust the input volume of your mic from here as well. All right, so like, sub, and thanks for watching.